Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this old TV animations to apply on your video opening in CapCut Mobile. So first you can just add your videos or the videos that you want to edit. And now click on the video on the timeline here. Go to animation, and under the in category find the old TV animations. So just swipe until you find old TV. Okay, this one's right here. So click on that and adjust on how long you want the animations to last on your opening. I'm going to go with 1.7 seconds. Click on a check icon, and this is the old TV animation as my video opening. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.